to start small business in 2025 without having a dime or a little capital. Step one, get thinking. Get thinking in the sense that you decided what to sell, what to do, the problem you can solve, and how you can solve them. Your audience should come first to your mind when you want to start any business at all. At least, let's say you have a business you want to start, and the person that wants to come to your mind is your audience. What are the problems they are currently facing? How can I solve it? So get thinking to know what to do. Step two, get technical. Get technical in the sense that you will need a social media handle where you get your target audience. You need a website where you connect with your audience, where you connect with your friends, where you connect with your family, where you connect to the people that have the problem you want to solve. Step three, get your business registered. In today's economy, this is 2025. Let me be honest with you. You have to register your business, no matter how little, how small your business is. Either it's a startup or a big one, you just have to register it. Registration is a little cost. And if you want me to make a video on that, I can actually make a video. So if you want to start any business at all, or you have it in mind to get started, or you don't know how to, this is the best channel for you. Smash on that subscribe button right there and turn on your notification because I don't want you to miss any of my videos. Step four, get banking. When I said get banking, I really mean it. Get banking means you have to set aside your business account from your normal account. When you call it a business, it should be a business. You don't want to use your business capital to sort out other bills. So when you have a separate account for your business, it makes it easy for you to separate your normal life from your business life. Your business should be business, okay? So you have a business account, it's called business structure. It's one of the business structure that you need in 2025. You can't just be jam packing those your normal income and business capital. Step five, which is the most important one, is very, very important. Get branding. Get branding. I repeat it again, get branding. You can't just be selling anything without having a brand. When they said a brand, okay, for example, a Coca-Cola have a brand, MTN have a brand, Etisalat have a brand, Guinness have a brand. What is your brand? Get a logo, work on that, invest in logo, invest in branding, invest in marketing. So those things will actually help your business to grow in 2025. I don't want you to miss any of my videos. Smash on that subscribe button down there and turn on your notification because I'll be dropping a tips on how to start a business in 2025, even if you don't have a dime to start. So just to make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Step six, which is the best of the step, is getting started. Enough of waiting, enough of trying to figure it out, enough of trying to know it all. Trying to know it all means you're not starting anytime soon. So, and you have to just start with what you have. You have been my subscriber for a while now. I always say it, get started with what you have. You just have to start with whatever you have. Start now and start as soon as possible. So the step six is get starting. Okay, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos like this. I love you. Bye.